Ah, what a nice day at the park.
Yeah, so nice.
Time to go down the slides.
Yeah, let's go.
Feet.
Oh, oh. I fell.
First you fell, and then you just it's hella customer.
Get that off your face. Alright, now we're going to play on the jungle gym.
Wait,
This is a big jungle gym.
I need exercises first.
Why?
Do exercises with me.
Ugh. I can't tap my pee-pee. Can you tap it for me? Thank you.
Yup.
Good exercises.
Do.
Alright,
Okay.
time to climb on the bars. Okay, let's climb on the bars.
Okay, I think I'm stuck.
What? Are you stuck? Are you stuck there?
Yes.
What have you done? Nice bike. This is fine. Vroom vroom everybody. Vroom vroom everybody. Vroom vroom. Vroom vroom everybody. Vroom vroom. Yeah. Alright. Now we have to throw ourselves up there. Alright, so let's go. Throw ourselves up there.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Oh no!
Oh, I actually made it. I made it up here. What are you doing, brother?
Trying to make it
What are you
like
doing? What are you doing, brother? Brother, what are you doing?
Trying to do what you did.
You're killing yourself.
Oh.
I got this first try. Heck yeah. It is time to go down the slide. You come after me, brother, okay? Alright, come down after me. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Get out of the way at the slide. Move. Move. Move out of the way. Little kid standing in the way. Alright, come down.
That was fun.
Yes. Now let's go on the swings. Alright, brother. I am on the swing. So are you. I fell off. No, let's grab my dead body. Put it right there. Let's put it right there. There. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Up, up, and away. It actually works. I fell off. Fell off the swing. Stop it. Stop the swing. I fell off the swing. Alright, it's time to go on the blue swing. Come on, let's go on that blue swing. Yes. Yes, brother. That kid is crazy. How does he do that? Magic. Hello, Cup. Have you joined us? Yes. You have joined us. Okay. And the 1, and the 2, and the 1, 2, 3.
Stop it! JPP! Okay.
I'm surviving. I'm surviving.
JPP!
I'm surviving.
Stop it, JPP!
I'm surviving.
No, Carly, stop.
PP.